Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. The drink we are making today is called Gumdrop. It's really easy to make, 2 ingredients only. You need Scotch Whisky and Galliano. So without further ado, let's make a Gumdrop. To be honest, I was quite surprised when I found out this recipe. I found it online, and mixing Scotch with Galliano, I'm not sure how well it goes, but we're going to give it a try. It sounds interesting. I mean, I love Scotch, I love Galliano. It can't be that bad, so let's check it out. We're going to start with Scotch, 2 ounces, 60 mils. I'm using Black Label. Followed by 1 ounce of Galliano. Smells nice. Let me know in the comments, have you ever tried this combination? It sounds interesting. Now we're going to add ice and give it a little stir. Not bad. That's it, ladies and gents. Gumdrop. Cheers. That's interesting. I mean, Scotch is dominant, but Galliano gives it that sweet note, that herbal note. It's kind of like a rusty nail, but not that sweet, but it's nice. Yeah, this could be a great nightcap. And that's it, ladies and gents. We made a Gumdrop, really easy to make, 2 ingredients only. Try to make it and let me know in the comments below what you think. I'd love to hear your opinion. Thank you very much for your support. If you like what you see, subscribe, it means a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.